Hi skill learners, we are here with an exciting video. If your website is not responsive or people are not engaged to your website, then we have a solution for it. In this video, we will learn how to install an eye-catching theme. Installing an attractive theme gets you engagement and grabs audience attention. Now, let's get started. The first step is to Google our targeting website, JoJo Themes. Click on the first link that appears on the search engine result pages. As you enter the website, you will see several themes. Click on the WordPress option shown on the header of the website. These all themes are for WordPress, then can be installed without spending a single penny. If you want to look for more themes, click on the next button. You can search website category or website theme on the search bar present on the header. Now you can see themes based on the category you have chosen. I will select this one. The theme we have chosen describes the core features that make our website attractive. Select this link to watch demo. Click Live Preview. Through Live Preview, you can watch demo of your website. The demo website contains multiple templates. Select and watch the preview of whichever template you like. Here, I will click this one. As you scroll down the home page, you will find it attractive and attention-grabbing. To download this theme, we are provided with two versions. The first version is 1.6 and the other is 1.4.3. We will go for 1.4.3. Now the downloading has been started. If your download does not start automatically, so click here. This website will be redirected to mirror.to. Click to view the file links. Now you will see multiple hosting options to get your link. We will choose ZippyShare. Click Get Link. Copy link and paste it on a new tab. Now you have the authority to download this WordPress theme file. Click Download now. Downloading has been started. Once the downloading is done, it will appear in a folder. Now let's summarize the video. In this video, we learned how to install WordPress theme. To learn how to upload it on WordPress, watch our next video.